All right, let's talk about the forecast. A lot of people out there needing to get errands done, shopping done, and it's a split weekend.
Yeah, probably get it all done Saturday, Damon, right?
Right. I think it's going to be busy out there tomorrow, but rightfully so. It's going to be the nicer of the 2 days this weekend tomorrow. If you want to brave Sunday, I just wouldn't recommend it. If we can avoid being out there during that storm, that would be a good idea. Folks, we have a beautiful, beautiful setup right now across D.C. The live shot toward the Washington Monument. Clear. Quiet. We've had the same trend for most of this week, and well, we are going to roll into the weekend looking at more of the same for the time being, and we will take it. Those temperatures, again, they're on the decline, of course. Now with that sun sets, it's been quite a warm day. Finally, we saw those temperatures jump up into the 50s and 60s with plenty of sun this afternoon, but now we are falling back down into the 40s. D.C., Leesburg, the only two locations on the map still sitting right now in the 50s, but that will change as we get later into the night. But our friend, high pressure, strong area of high pressure at that, it is still sitting nearby, which will continue to provide us with clear, calm conditions straight through the night into your Saturday. But here is what we are watching, folks. We have two storm systems, one over the Midwest and one down off the coast of Florida. This one here down toward Tampa and Miami, that's the one that's going to ride up the East Coast as we go through the weekend, with the storm system over the Midwest running into that same storm system by Sunday. And look where both storms are heading, right toward us. And that's what's going to bring about the nasty setup we have in place for Sunday, with rain and wind on the way, and plenty of both of those things. Here we are on your Sunday, folks. Excessive rainfall outlook. There's 4 levels to it. 4 being the highest. We have a level 2 risk right now across the D.C. metro. I-95 expanding all the way back toward the Interstate 81 corridor. What this means is we are going to see a lot of heavy rainfall in a short amount of time, and the risk for some minor flooding here and there across the area is going to be possible with this storm system as it rolls across the area. But rain is one concern. The wind is our second here. And here we go. Futurecast, 6 a.m. on your Sunday. We're still quiet. That storm has yet to arrive quite yet, but it's looking like by the early afternoon that rainfall will begin on Sunday. Here we are at noon there. And as we progress late in the afternoon, Sunday going into Sunday night, that yellow here on the map indicates some very steady to heavy rainfall that will sweep across the area between 5 p.m. and midnight on Sunday, and that's when we should experience the heaviest of the rainfall, followed up by the strongest wind gusts late Sunday night going into Monday morning. So folks, this is going to be quite the nasty storm system. We could end up with 1.5 to 3 inches of rain by the time all is said and done, and then you mix in wind gusts of 30 to 40 miles per hour. It is going to be a time to just stay inside if you can and try to be out of this storm system. DMV first warn days, Sunday and Monday. But before we get to that point, folks, thankfully enough, we have beautiful conditions in place for your Saturday.
All right, we have been